Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Mimi if you're new here, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. So in today's video, I thought I'd bring back a fitness vlog for you guys, or fitness routine. This is an updated workouts that I do for my glutes. So I keep them minimal, and I thought I'd just share how the exercise that has been helping me maintain my glutes and just making them big. And so I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know what video you guys would love to see from me again, and I hope you guys enjoy. Alright guys, so after my warm-up, I always go straight into a sumo squat, dumbbell sumo squat, wide leg sumo squat. And what I always do with this exercise is I go by or with the highest dumbbell till failure, and then I reduce the dumbbell and then go for another repetition till failure, and then reduce the weight again till failure. And that's just what I'm doing here, as you guys can see. And then I repeat that 3 more times. And yeah. So for my next exercise, I always do a hip thrust, and what I do with this is I go straight into my heaviest, which I always do 10 reps, and then I do 10 pulses as well at the end of every 10 reps. And then you want to make sure that you're increasing your weight after every single reps. So when you do like a 50, you want to make sure that you increase it to maybe a 55, and then after that you want to make sure that you increase it to maybe like a 60 or something like that. Exactly. So, and then that's what I did here. And yeah. Next, you guys already know that I will not do without my reverse lunges. I so much love this exercise. This is literally my favorite workout. This is literally my favorite exercise ever of all time. This works your glutes, works your quads, and works your hamstring. Like, this is everything that you need. You want to make sure that you're doing this, guys. So here you could either use 1 dumbbell or 2 dumbbells. But I did a 1 dumbbell today because I was just so tired. So I did 3 sets of 15 each legs. So you want to make sure that you do that. Then next, this is my second leg, which I'm showing you guys. So you do the first leg, then you do the second leg, and you want to make sure that you do 3 sets each of 15, 12 to 15. gosh, guys, the way I was sweating, yeah, honestly was unbelievable. Like, look at my back, like it's like a mirror. And next, the last exercise, which is single leg RDL. I love this exercise as well. This is for your hamstring and your upper glutes as well. This is so nice. You want to make sure that you're doing 3 sets of 15 or 4 sets of 10, but I did 3 sets of 20 reps just because I wanted more out of this exercise. I did more reps, which is fine. You could reduce your weight and do more reps, or you could increase your weight, do less reps, or increase your weight, do more reps. Literally, it depends on you, totally up to you. But yeah, this exercise as well will help you grow your glutes. I'm sure you guys already know because you watch me all the time. These are my literally only grill exercise that I love to do, like every single time. Try this 4 weeks. Just try 4 weeks of this exercise 3 times a week, and you will see a huge, massive difference in your glutes. I promise you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this workout routine. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Let me know what video you guys would like to see from me again, and see you in my next video. Mwah! Bye, guys.